Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix application error 0xc0000135 in your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing application error on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then type here Run. Click on Run. Here you need to type %app data % and hit enter. Guys, you need to select all these folders and delete it. After doing this, just close this window and you need to click on Start menu, then type here Settings, click on Settings. In left section you can see last option, Windows Update. Click on Windows Update. If there is any Windows update available, just check for update and update it from here. After updating, close this window and try the last method. Click on Start menu, type here Run, click on Run. Here you need to type optional feature, click OK. Guys, you can see here first option, .NET Framework 3.5. you need to expand this one. In this you need to check mark this both option, Windows Communication Foundation, HTTP activation, Windows Communication Foundation non-HTTP activation. You need to check mark this both option and click OK. After doing this, just close this window and once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix application error 0xc0000135 in your Windows 11 computer or laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.